Sit. Oh no, we're not going for a car ride, Bella. No, we're not going for a ride. Come here. Come here. Come. Go get her. Go get her. Nope, distracted. Gotta find the right spot. Don't take a picture of him jumping. Bella, come here.
Come on, Bella. Come.
Come, Annika. Ooh, nice jumping. Hey, Gilbert, should we walk back and show Jeffrey what the chickens look like? Come on. Let's go for a walk. Oh, you want to go this way? Alright, let's go this way. Look at him tearing up from it. No, this way, guys. Come on.
No. That's right, they never saw the chickens, did they?
Gilbert chased the one when he was outside that day. You see them, Gilbert? Those are chickens. Okay, so the gold one down there, Jeff, that's William. He's the biggest. And then this one right here in the middle, that's Brendan, but we call her Bessie. And over here, the goofball one is Jeremy. That's Jeremy. He's a little goofy. Come here, Bessie. Come here, Bessie. Oh, are you trying to hurt them? They're already hurted, man. Gilbert, come over here.
Come on, Gilbert. I gotta go poop again.
There's a fence between you, Gilbert. Alright, you're going to terrify him. Come on.
Okay, come on. This way.
Come on, Gilbert.
Gilbert, come on. This way. Bella, let's go. Come on.
Quit walking. No more walking. No more walking. Come on, Gilbert.
Gilbert, this way.
Gilbert, look at Mommy. Hey, I'm a fancy boy. I'm strutting.
Getting tired.
Yeah, he is. Why do you have to go in there?
Come on, let's go.
You're going to get tips all over you. Look, you can see where they are, just where the leaves are moving. Hey, come on. Here they come. Here comes one terror. All right, Gilbert.
Gilbert, where are you? There he is. Come on.
Come on, buddy.
Come on. He's pooping or something.
Hey.
What are you doing in there?
Come on. Maybe he got tired. Okay. Come on, buddy. Going that way. Here he comes, right here. He's a good boy. Look at the camera. Look at Daddy. Look.
Come on, Bella, this way.
Want to go on the back porch here?
Come on, Bella. This way.
water all over her face. Ooh, snake. Good boy. I used to take photos of Dilbert's tomato plant. We'll go have him sit by your tomato plant. Come on, Dilbert, we'll go check out your tomato plant, alright? The one that you did all by yourself.
Justin. Car's coming.
Dilbert, come over here and sit by your plant.
Come on.
Come on, Dilbert.
Sit in.
That's annoying. Here. Right here. Sit down. Don't poop on it. Sit. Say, Jeffrey, this is my tomato plant. And as you can see, I have 2 big ones and 1 little one starting. And I also have another plant that I started in the front yard. Good job. Stay there, Dilbert. I'm going to go get the camera and take a picture of him. No. Dilbert, sit. Sit. Oh, look away. Come on. Look over this way. Hey, Dilbert, come sit right here. Come here. Come here. I want to get a picture of you with the plant. Come here. Right here. Sit. Sit. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Dilbert, look at Mommy. Good job. Bella, stay out of the street. All right.
Come on, let's go in the house.
Alright, put some in another one. It's over. Oh, you couldn't hold out just a minute longer, Belle? Bella. Hey, Bella. Hey. Gilbert. Hey, Gilbert, can you give a paw? Can you give? Oh, good boy. You're such a good boy. Yeah, you're getting all wet. You want to go inside? You want to go inside? Ooh, shake. Good job. All right, come on.